Welcome everyone in today's video of Quick Guide.
In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download and install the trading app which is Thinkorswim. For this, you need to open the Play Store. Just open it and search for the keyword Thinkorswim in the search bar of Play Store. Let me search very quickly and you can see Thinkorswim mobile trading in the search result. Simply click on the install button. As you can see, the download process has already started in my mobile device. It needs some time for the installation process. Just have patience. The installation process is complete in my mobile device. Let's check it out the app in the app section. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.